Thanasis, and welcome back to Better Greek. If you've ever wanted to describe yourself or someone else in Greek, this is the lesson for you. Today we are learning about appearances, what someone looks like, tall, short, blonde, handsome, the whole package. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. If you want to ask how you look like, you say πώς είσαι. Πώς είσαι. Πώς είσαι means how are you, but if you are clearly talking about looks, it means what do you look like. For example, πώς είναι ο Κώστας. Πώς είναι ο Κώστας. Or πώς είναι η Μαρία. Πώς είναι η Μαρία. Okay, let's see a few words describing the body type. For example, αδύνατος or αδύνατη for a female, it's thin or skinny, αδύνατος. Χοντρός, χοντρή, fat, χοντρός, χοντρή. Okay, Greeks love food, but be gentle with χοντρός. It can be offensive with people. Use γεμάτος instead to be nicer. Ξανθός or ξανθιά for women, it means blonde. Ξανθός or ξανθιά. Μελαχρινός, μελαχρινή, black haired, μελαχρινός. Καστανός or καστανή, καστανός, καστανή. And also another way to say είμαι καστανός, είμαι μελαχρινός, είμαι ξανθός would be έχω καστανά μαλλιά, έχω καστανά μαλλιά. Or έχω μαύρα μαλλιά, έχω μαύρα μαλλιά. Or έχω ξανθά μαλλιά, έχω ξανθά μαλλιά. Now let's describe whether someone is young, pretty, or maybe not so pretty. The first word is νέος, νέα. Νέος or νέα, it means young. Μικρός or μικρή. Μικρός or μικρή, it means young. Μεγάλος or μεγάλη. Μεγάλος or μεγάλη, it means old. The word μικρός means small for things and young for people. And the word μεγάλος means big for things and old for people. Let's see another word. Όμορφος or όμορφη, it means beautiful, handsome, pretty. The opposite is άσχημος. Άσχημος or άσχημη, ugly. Άσχημος or άσχημη. And then ωραίος or ωραία. Ωραίος, ωραία, good looking, nice. Become a member on Patreon for just $6.5 a month. With every YouTube video you'll get transcripts, vocabulary lists, fun quizzes, flashcards on Quizlet, MP3 files, private WhatsApp group to practice with others. Find the link in the description. Ψηλός, ψηλή, ψηλός or ψηλή, tall. Κοντός or κοντή, κοντός or κοντή, short. Γλυκός or γλυκιά, γλυκός or γλυκιά, it means sweet. Let's see a few examples. Πώς είναι ο Κώστας? Ο Κώστας είναι ψηλός, καστανός και αδύνατος. Είναι όμορφος και νέος. One more time. Ο Κώστας είναι ψηλός, καστανός και αδύνατος. Είναι όμορφος και νέος. Another example. Πώς είναι η Μαρία? Η Μαρία είναι κοντή, ξανθιά και αδύνατη. Είναι ωραία και γλυκιά. One more time. Η Μαρία είναι κοντή, ξανθιά και αδύνατη. Είναι ωραία και γλυκιά. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to write in the comments 3-4 words from today's lessons to describe yourself, or if you don't want to describe yourself, you can describe someone else, and all this in Greek. For example, like this. Γεια σου. Είμαι κοντός, μελαχρινός και γλυκός. Είμαι κοντός, μελαχρινός και γλυκός. Well done. You learned so much today. Now you can describe anyone, yourself, a friend, your favorite celebrity. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!